Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. To World Mechanics, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll show you how to set your clock on BMW E46. If you replace your battery, you might notice that you have those blinking lines here. Okay, you can see, you can go to the temperature, but unfortunately the clock is not working. So let me show you now. Okay, what you need to do, guys. You see you have two knobs here, one left, one on the right side. Okay, and the one on the left side is the one for the clock. Okay, so right now, okay, let me check what time it is right now quick. It's 12:07. Okay, so, and it's PM. So we need to hold that thing. Okay, you can see if you hold it like that, turn, it goes pretty fast after a while. At first it's slow, but after a while it's fast. Okay, so you just keep going. Okay, like that. Oh, I passed it. It was going too fast because it's PM. We have a video how to switch to 24-hour format, how to switch to Celsius if you need to. Okay, just like that, all you have to do, just let go. So now, when you switch to the different screen, okay, you can see you have your clock ready. And this clock is actually the one on the radio as well. You can see I can adjust the one from the cluster. When I adjust the one on the radio. So pretty simple deal, but it's a little bit annoying just seeing that empty clock there. So thank you for watching, guys. See you. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.